A major overhaul of leadership inside the state's biggest court right here in Las Vegas. Our 8 News Now investigators with exclusive interviews with the outgoing and incoming chief judges of the Clark County District Court. Kyle Payne joining us now. And Kyle, you spoke with the current Chief Judge Weiss.
Sasha, I did. Good evening. Nice to see you. I spoke with Judge Weiss at length on camera last year, and last week my fellow 8 News Now investigators spoke with the incoming Judge Tiara Jones, and together we get a good view from the top of the Clark County District Court.
You're 3/4 of the way there. Are you liking it?
The chief job?
Yeah.
It depends on the day.
Depending on the day, Judge Jerry Weiss oversees any number of thousands of visitors coming in and out of the Regional Justice Center and into the District Court for criminal and civil hearings, trials, and other matters in front of almost 700 full-time staff. We sat down with Weiss last May and asked if he thought he ran the court well over his time as Chief Judge.
We hear, from people who think that, it's not. Do you hear that feedback?
We have 58 judges. For that many employees, I think it's run phenomenally well.
Weiss points to numbers like these that show each of those 58 judges preside over more than 4,400 hearings in a year. In 2024, the court saw over 100,000 new filings. So many, in fact, that in 2025, Judge Weiss,
Our courthouses are full right now.
asked the legislature to give him 18 more judges and build him a new court building. The legislature said no.
At some point, it's important that they prioritize the court and catch us up and put us in a position where we can move forward, providing the service to the community that we need to provide.
Providing leadership from Weiss's perch as chief judge, though, will now be the responsibility of this woman.
What is justice? And what does that look like?
Judge Tiara Jones, currently in charge of the court's criminal division and its homicide docket. The first black woman named to the bench back in 2017, and the first black woman to become chief judge this July, voted in unanimously by her colleagues.
The role of chief judge, it's very interesting because a lot of people think you're the boss of the court. You're not the boss of the court.
And the court will have some new people in charge. In addition to Jones, a new management team, including new court administrator, new public information officer, new jury commissioner, and a new head of security.
I'm so excited to work with this whole new group and have all of these fresh eyes looking at everything and just be able to continue the progress that we've made, but also be able to look back at the end of my tenure and reflect on the positive things that we've done.
The amount of money it takes to run the court in the last fiscal year, $136 million. Ultimately, the legislation we talked about, AB 66, it passed, but not the part of the bill that included the new judges. Sasha.
All right, Kyle, thank you for that report. Now you can see that entire interview with Judge Tiara Jones now on our 8 News Now streaming app. New episodes of The Investigators Show stream every Monday night at 7 and can be seen on most smart TVs.